So, have you heard about this breakthrough treatment for hair loss? It's like from this study in Madrid, where they reversed androgenetic alopecia in mice.
Mm-hmm. Really? Tell me more about how they did it.
Yeah, okay. They combined fat-derived stem cells with adenosine triphosphate, you know, ATP, which is that essential energy molecule in our cells. The
Yep.
results were pretty remarkable. 100% hair regrowth in lab mice.
Wow, 100%? That sounds almost too good to be true. How did it work exactly?
Well, it's like this. The stem cells provide the regenerative magic, right? And the ATP acts as an energy booster, supporting the recovery of hair follicles.
Right,
In
exactly.
male mice, about 50% got complete regrowth, and the rest showed significant improvement, while in female mice, 90% experienced full or intense hair regrowth.
That's really impressive. So, essentially, this could hint at a future non-surgical treatment for hair loss in humans, couldn't it?
Exactly. Although human trials are still ahead before we see any of these treatments in the clinic, but it
Yeah.
definitely opens up new hope for people battling hair loss.
I can imagine the excitement in the dermatology field. But, um, do you think there might be any challenges translating these results from mice to humans?
That's a fair point. I mean, mice and humans are
Mm-hmm.
different in many ways, but the underlying mechanism, harnessing stem cell regeneration boosted by ATP energy, seems really promising for future alternatives to current invasive methods.
Right? And I also read that the lead researcher, Eduardo Lopez Bran, mentioned this combination helps um, stimulate hair growth by reviving dormant follicles. Is that accurate?
Yes, absolutely. It's like, um, imagine giving your hair follicles a
Yeah, that
jumpstart back
makes
into
sense.
life. It's a neat way of harnessing natural cellular energy to improve bodily functions, especially in something as visible as hair regrowth.
Now, I'm thinking about other research that sometimes shows aging might actually be a controlled process by the brain. How does that tie in?
Oh, good question. There was mention of uh, studies where older cells seem to consume more energy than expected, suggesting that aging isn't just a
Yeah,
decline,
interesting point.
but may be regulated. Both areas of research point to our biology being far more dynamic than we often assume.
That really does make you wonder about the potential of combining these fields. What if, say, cellular energy manipulation could not only regrow hair, but also counteract aspects of aging?
Exactly. It's like a domino effect. You see a treatment reversing hair loss, and then, um, you start to imagine broader applications, maybe even rethinking parts of the aging
True,
process.
true.
Although I do wonder, wouldn't that open up a whole can of ethical and safety regulations?
I think so. Every breakthrough comes with its own set of challenges, right? The clinical trials will have to be super rigorous.
Absolutely. And that's what makes this research so thrilling yet cautious. It's a big step toward less invasive and more effective treatments for hair loss, and maybe even a glimpse into future anti aging therapies. The potential impact is
Exactly.
enormous.
Thanks for breaking it down. It's really fascinating to think about where science is headed.
For sure, each discovery opens up many possibilities, and this one from Madrid really stands out as a bold move from, well, from bald to bold.
Yeah, indeed.